Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the campus, virtual campus of the D.Y. Patil College of Engineering. I consider this virtual campus is meant that we are learning into the virtual environment. I, being the principal of the D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, this is a very vibrant and very excellent entity as far as this learning is concerned. And we are proactively participating into the various programs which has been hosted by the IIT, AICT, MHRD, and we expect that the lot of learning, huge active learning takes place. Various kind of the learning practices which are taking place as far as this collaborative learning, ICT enabled learning, blended learning, cooperative learning, then flipped class based learning, various kind of the technologies and pedagogy that what we are using for effective teaching learning process. And this is also a very good attempt of starting this learning virtual learning process and making this as good as a virtual reality for everybody to understand the various kind of the technology which is taking place across the world. And I am very happy that this is the spoken tutorial project, which is the great initiative of the IIT Powai Mumbai. I am very happy that Dr. Kadam, program coordinator from IIT, she was very kind enough to the two professor from our IIT Remote Center, Dr. Aarti Gaikwad and as well Mr. Professor Pramod Patil. They have taken the initiative to start and host this particular event, and I am extremely happy to see that 302 participants have actively participated, and they will be learning a lot of things out of this 1 week FDP on the BOSS Linux systems, which is 3.4.2 version. And you know that right now the whatever the advanced version it is there, with respect to the progression from the 1.0 version to the 8.0 versions, the BOSS 8.0 version has got a lot of features. It has got a different dimension of thinking. It has got the desktop version, education version, server version. So these operating systems, I consider this is the most matured, and specifically it is confined to the Indian environment, and specifically to penetrate into the Indian all the desktop, the laptop, and any kind of the environment, maybe into the normal desktop or the server version. But it is a very secured operating system. We have been learning into the Linux systems, all the window based systems. But why to go ahead for this BOSS systems? Because we are very proud that this particular system has been designed by SIDAC people, and we are proud that considering the making India and digital India in really impactful and really to serve the country in a right manner. I wish that you all the participants from the India, and we are very proud to be Indian. If you look at to the current situations about the pandemic situations, which is already encompassing and engrossing and really impacting the complete social and economical and political complete structure of the globe. If you look at the casualty which is happening into across the world, is more than 1 lakh people have lost their life, and more than 10 lakh people have been impacted and affected because of this coronavirus. And in this lockdown period, you have come and thought of to engage yourself to give the learning. I am very happy to see that all the people you would like to utilize this particular stressful time into the real learning time. And I am sure that you all people will be learning very systematically how to install the various BOSS software. This particular operating system is the most secure system. So what are those various security systems and features which are there? What is this kernel which is sitting there, which is trying to take care about the all kind of the vulnerability, and whether it is a user friendly, whether it is a comparable to the Ubuntu or kind of the Microsoft, that everything you will be learning over the period of the systematics 1 week FDP. You have started from the 25th today morning, and you will be learning to the 1st of May. I wish you all the best to learn this particular operating systems from the scratch, and perhaps you will be able to master how to install the software, how to use this particular operating systems, and how it is beneficial as compared to the other existing n number of the operating systems, maybe a desktop version or the server version or the education. So CDAC has taken the huge amount of the efforts. Let us learn it by heart and make this India proud. Once again, I would like to hearty congratulate to all the participants, the IIT people who are driving this particular, broadcasting this particular session on specifically onto the Boss Linux system, and I wish that every participant should take the note of it, that they are whatever their learning outcome, whatever their reflection point, reflection spot, and learning systematically for every session, every module what you are learning, make a proper report and submit to us, so that we will able to understand that yes, all this 5 6 days FDP, 1 week FDP will be the real turning point of your life to give the justice to yourself and to the technology. Research, innovations, development are the integral component of this education systems. How this particular operating system, can you develop certain kernels or the certain modules out of this, which will be really giving the different dimension to the world. That is also important, because we want that India should be the country who will be giving the new product, innovative products, and the research which is happening out of this particular environment. Let us say the CDAC, which is putting the efforts as far as the secured the kind of the operating systems, we are very happy. But anyway, lot of learning will be happening there, step by step, day by day. I wish you all the best. Once again, I give the compliment to Dr. Aarti Gaikwad and Mr. Pramod Patil to take away this particular session systematically, step by step, and hope a huge amount of the lot of learning in reality it takes place. Best of luck. Thank you very much.